Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will start block 6, motions of the earth, and we will study first topic of this block. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Let's do revision of previous class. We have studied about respecting all jobs. We should respect all kinds of work if it does not harm anyone. And a sweeper and garbage collector deserve the same respect as any other profession. And this is called dignity of labor. Appreciating hard work of people who work hard for us and respecting their work also. This is called dignity of labor. And Mahatma Gandhi told people that we should respect all kinds of jobs and we should not disrespect sweepers and garbage collectors, because in earlier times sweepers and garbage collectors used to called untouchables. So people called them untouchables because they had to work closely with dirt and garbage. And because of this division, some people are treated with more respect than others and enjoy more benefits than others. Now, keywords from today's topic. Spins means make something turn round quickly, like a top. Tilt means a position when one side or end is higher than other. When one end is higher than other is called tilt. Rotation means movements in circles around a central point. Means imagine there is a point in central and a thing is moving in circle. Now you need some resources for today's topic. So if you have globe available with you, you can keep it. If you don't have globe, we will understand with the help of pictures. No need to worry, okay? We will use pictures for understanding the topic. Or you have globe, please keep it with you. And keep your S1 and notebook with you. So I hope many of you saw globe, and we have read that rotation, when earth rotates, it causes day and night because different part of the earth receives sunlight because of rotation of the earth. And we have already know that how different longitudes face the sun one by one as the earth rotates. Do you know what is longitude and latitude? For example, as we have studied that these are grids. These squares that are present on a globe and on a map, these are called grids, and these help us to locate a place. We have studied in class 3rd. So this line is longitude. This vertical line is longitude. Okay, this vertical line is longitude and this horizontal line is latitude. And together they made grids, and this help us to locate a place. And we have learned how different longitudes face the sun one by one as the earth rotates. And today we will learn how the earth rotates. We will learn more about rotation of the earth. This is your topic for today. Rotation of the earth. Write topic name in good handwriting with date. Our aim for today is to be able to explain that the earth rotates on its axis. Now those who have globe, please keep it with you and observe it carefully. And those who don't, please look at these pictures carefully. what do you observe about this globe? Do you see a line passing through it? Its center, this line. So, if you can see a line passing through the center, so what do you think? Is it a horizontal line or vertical line? Do you see such lines on the earth? What do you think? Can you see these lines on the earth? So, these lines passing through the center of the globe is called the axis of the earth. Okay, this line that is passing through the center is called axis of the earth. It is an imaginary line. We cannot see these lines on the earth. These are imaginary line. And it is tilted. One end is higher than other. So, do you know in which angle this line is tilted? Do you know the answer? Let's read. So, imaginary line tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. Okay. The line passing through the center of the globe is called the axis. This line is called axis, and this tilted line makes an angle of 23.5 degree. And this is known as the tilt of the earth, and the earth spins on this axis. Understand? Earth spins on this axis, and in the axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. And this is upper part is North Pole, bottom is South Pole, and a line between the globe that divide the globe in two equal halves is called an equator. Now, as you know that the earth rotates on its axis from west to east. Okay, and these are all the direction. Upper part north, down south, right will be east, and left west. So, earth rotates on its axis from west to east. And now we will do an experiment. Now, those who have globe, please use it, and you can take a torch with you and keep the globe in darkness and put the torch on the globe. And when you put the torch on the globe, you should know that India on the globe should not face the torch. Imagine that torch is the sun, and India on the globe should not face the torch. Those who don't have globe, please imagine that we are putting torch on a globe, and please don't face India. Now, slowly rotate the globe from west to east. Okay, if we rotate the globe from west to east as earth rotates, now stop the rotation as India enters the lighted area. India is not receiving the sunlight directly. It is enters the lighted area. Now you need to answer, what time do you think it is now in India, and why do you think so when India enters the lighted area? Means India started receiving sunlight. What do you think? It is in India, day, night, evening or afternoon? So, it is the morning in India when the sun rises. Now, stop the globe when India is facing the sun directly. So, when we rotated the globe from west to east, the sun rises in the states in the eastern parts of India. When we came from west to east, sun rises in the east. So, when we stop the globe and India is facing the sun directly, which time do you think it is in India? When sun is directly facing the India. It is noon in India now. Okay, it is noon when India is facing the sunlight directly. Now rotate the globe again till the western parts of India enter the dark side. So this is how the sun sets in the west, and this is the sunset. After this it will be night in all these places. Now think and answer. In which direction do you see the sun rising? In which direction do you see the sunset? So as you know, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now answer, what is moving, the earth or the sun? When we rotate the globe, what is moving? Imagine the globe is the earth. So what is moving, the earth or the sun is moving? And in which direction does the earth move? What's the answer? The earth rotates on its axis from west to east. Sun does not rotate or move. Sun has its fixed position. And sun is at the center of the solar system. So the earth rotates on its axis from west to east. The period between two sunrises is called a day. Okay, two sunrises means a day. And earth completes one rotation on its axis in one day. That's why day and night happens. And rotation known as the daily motion of the earth. Rotation causes day and night. That's why earth takes one day to rotate or to complete one rotation. Now answer, what would happen if the earth did not rotate at all? What would happen if earth does not move? Think and answer. So if the earth was not a rotating body, then only one side of the earth would experience day and the other side would always have night. And answer, what would happen if the earth rotated in the east to west direction instead of west to east? What would happen if the earth rotated in the east to west direction? So if the earth rotated from east to west direction instead of west to east, then we would see the sun rising in the west and setting in the east. So because of earth's rotation, day and night happens. So this is about rotation of the earth. And after this is your writing work for today. Read the topic rotation of the earth, finish S1 and do PQ2. This is S1. Draw the axis, use the circle to draw a labeled diagram to show the rotation of the earth. You need to name the things. Draw the axis and name it also. Draw arrows to show the direction of the earth's rotation. Next question. What would happen if the earth did not rotate? What would happen if the earth rotated in the east to west direction instead of west to east? Now let's revise what we have studied. That an imaginary line passing through the center of the earth or globe is called an axis. What is axis? The line passing through the center of the globe is called the axis of the earth. It is an imaginary line. We cannot see these lines on the earth. And tilted line makes an angle of 23.5 degrees. This is called tilt of the earth, and the earth spins on this axis. Earth rotates from west to east. Earth's rotation takes one day, causes day and night, also called daily motion of the earth. And what is called a day? The period between two sunrises. Now, this is your bonus question of the day. What the period between two sunrises is called? Please answer by clicking on the link in Schoolia. If you have any doubt, please ask. Complete your work, watch the video properly. Take care everyone. God bless.